Moist and delicious sweet potato bread is just a secret away. I no longer buy bread since I started using this recipe, which fills me up quickly than the usual bread. That is why in this video, I am sharing the ultimate recipe to make the fluffiest and flavorful sweet potato bread you have ever tasted without an oven. And if you haven't tried this recipe, I assure you that after watching this video till the end, you will be trying this sweet potato bread recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell and let's have fun together. Kindly watch till the end for the full recipe and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more healthy and active recipe ideas. The star ingredient, which is the sweet potato, are naturally sweet, packed with nutrients, and will add that perfect moisture to your bread. Start by washing your sweet potato. We will be making use of one medium. To make it half cup of milk in total. I mean both the potato water and the milk, we combine it to get half cup of milk mixture. Here our boiled potato, we are going to match it. We will match it without finding any lumps in it before we go in with the milk mixture. Here going with the milk and potato water mixture. The good thing about this recipe is it is high in carbohydrates and it fills you faster than the usual butter bread. You can eat just a slice or two slices of this bread, sweet potato bread, and you will be full. And you will be full of energy throughout the day to carry out your activities. It is easy, fast, and you can combine it with any sauce of your choice, either sauce, mayonnaise, soup of any kind. It is time for the dough. First, all-purpose flour, followed by sugar, yeast, salt, nutmeg, to add more flavor and aroma. Then cinnamon also does the same. It adds flavor and aroma to the dough. And egg, oil, olive oil or any other oil of your choice, then the potato and milk mixture. Oil the worktop. Here we will allow the dough to rest for an hour. So oil the bowl as well, then you place the dough in it, cover it. The dough should be kept under a room temperature. It needs heat. So you can see we are going to cover it again just to get that room temperature kind of environment. So here is after an hour. You can see it has doubled in size, and we can start working with it from here. It is time to mold. Also oil your worktop, rub your hand with oil, then let's start molding. Quickly before we continue, you can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebook on easy to make homemade recipe from your hair to your skin, food, baking, and so on. So kindly check out the description box below to see how you can access them today. Angular shape, and I'm going to size it with my pan. So I am making sure that my dough is a little bit smaller to the pan. In this video, we will be baking with pots. You can either make use of stone or pour some sand in your pot or head of a stove. Heat the pot for about 5 minutes before going in with your pan and bake under low heat. And there you have it, golden moist sweet potato bread that is perfect for toasting or enjoying on its own. Thanks for watching. If you love this recipe, make sure to leave a comment in the comment box and subscribe to my channel for more delicious ideas. See you in my next video.